Hey, don't you see the sign? It says cool people only. I'm actually with... Hey! Come on in. Hello and welcome to my room. Like many entrances, this entrance has a door. It is a very good door and keeps intruders out most of the time. Next to my entrance, I have a little going out corner with 2 bags hung up for handy access. I also have a bulletin board with no bulletins, but instead a variety of enamel pins I've collected throughout the years, various cringy photo booth pictures, some film photos, as well as a decent collection of necklaces and masks. Next, on this narrow wall space, I have a little shelf with a variety of things, including a mirror, souvenirs, a jar of 118 paper cranes that someone very special made for me, and other knickknacks. Next up, we have the closet, where I spend more time than I should picking out an outfit that no one will see me wear except for random strangers on the internet when I decide to film, such as today. In my closet is also my senior prom dress that I never got to wear because of Miss Rona. I got it for only $30 off of a sketchy website, but it's still nice to twirl around with in my room. And in this little corner, I have a full-length mirror surrounded with disposable film photos that I took before COVID. And I also have a clothing rack with some of my favorite pieces of clothing that I routinely switch out depending on my mood and the season. Squished in between my clothing rack and my bed, I have a little vanity that I put together using my nightstand and a mirror that I found on the side of the road for free. I keep the rest of my makeup in this little drawer. And finally, we have my bed, where I'm often found contemplating life, sleeping, and binge watching TikToks. I also keep most of my plants on my windowsill where they get lots of light in the afternoons. And also I think my olive plant is dying. Can someone please help me? If I'm not in my bed, I am probably at my desk. I actually did a desk makeover and tour not too long ago if you want to check that out, so I won't go too in-depth for this video. This is the backpack that I used during my junior and senior year of high school, which I embroidered during quarantine. Did you really go through quarantine if you didn't pick up a new hobby? And last but not least, I have my bookshelf. It's more like 10% books and 90% random other stuff, but I don't know what else to call it. I have a small collection of records that I've collected over the years, and sometimes I just like to jam out to my favorite tunes. I also have my pothos plant. Pothos? I don't know. But it's basically my second favorite child after my first favorite child, Teddy. Not gonna lie, I was a little lonely this past year due to COVID, so I collected a lot of friends to keep me company. And that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, I made this video mostly for myself, so one day I can look back on it when I'm older and be like, oh, this is the room I spent all of my time in before I went to college. This is the room that I basically grew up in and spent most of my freshman year of college in as well. And it's definitely changed a lot and grown with me in the 15 years. 15 years? Oof. In the 15 years that I've been occupying this space, it was kind of bittersweet and nostalgic just looking through all of the memories and the things that I've collected over the years. I've definitely collected a lot of things, but I will not be bringing all of that with me to college. I really waited up until the very last minute to film this video because I'm moving out in 6 days, which is kind of crazy. But I have to start packing up this room, packing up all of my clothes and my belongings. So yeah, this is my room. That's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey, don't you see the sign? It says cool people only.
I'm cool people.